So we just got these in here. These are the axle stubbies. You're gonna need this if you have all this thing on with the all-wheel drive and you want to push the car in and out, because, or even if you want to drive with them, you know, this will work also. Let's say you get one of our arms, you still want to keep it front-wheel drive. You have to keep these hubs right here. There's bearing inside here. So if you don't have it, this one will come apart. So what this thing does is it pushes everything together, tightens everything, keeps it in place and all that, so it doesn't, you know, here, and then of course and that goes in here like that. So these are great. Like I said, if you're, let's say you're doing an all-wheel drive conversion, but you still want to use that as a front-wheel drive around, because you know, sometimes people don't have that time, you know, 2 weeks, 1 week, a month, whatever. Yeah. So they could still use it as a front-wheel drive. They could do like one weekend, they could put the arms on and still drive it, you know. And then the next week, again, they could do the diff mount and still drive it until like the last phase. Yeah. So this one will work with pretty much.
And they're pretty sturdy, well made.
Yeah. Just like here, even for this RSX.
Yeah, even if you're gonna put the RSX on, guys, you can just.
It's in here. There. Yeah, especially if you want to move the car around, you know. You never want to tow without putting these things on. We actually had a customer, actually this thing came apart on them because they didn't have a stubby on and they were towing it down the street.
Yeah, even pushing the car around in your yard.
Yeah, you don't want to mess it up. It's going to mess up the bearing.
So, check it out, guys. Our new axle stubbies in stock on the website already?
Yes. It's on the website.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, s1build.com. Get your axle stubbies in. It'll prevent a lot of failures from happening when you're doing your kit and you don't have time to put in your CB axles yet in the rear or your diff, and you got the arms on like stuff, as some say. Lock these in so bearings don't come apart.
Exactly.